they are able to make their own food. However, some plants which are present on this earth are either non-green or grown in the soil deficient in certain nutrients, especially nitrogen. So, how do these plants obtain the nutrients they need? Such heterotrophic plants depend on green plants or on other living organisms for their nutrition. Parasitic plants like Cuscuta and Rafflesia are heterotrophic plants which absorb nutrients from another green host plant. Cuscuta is a total stem parasite as its delicate thin stem twines around the stem of the host plant. On the other hand, Rafflesia is a total root parasite and grows directly on the roots of other plants such as fig. It has the world's largest flower. According to the various modes of nutrition, another group of such heterotrophic plants is that of insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants are green chlorophyllous plants which can make their own food like autotrophs. However, they fulfill their nitrogen requirement by trapping and digesting insects. All insectivorous plants have a specialized structure to capture insects, which is usually a modified leaf or part of a leaf. Some of the common examples of insectivorous plants are sundew, Venus flytrap, etc. The Venus flytrap leaf lamina is highly modified into two lobe-like structures. The reddish inner surface attracts insects, and when insects come in contact with the leaf, the two lobes fold along the midrib in less than a second. The insect trapped in between the lobes gets digested and the lobes again reopen for another trap. Among the carnivorous or insectivorous plants, the most amazing are the pitcher plants. The leaf of a pitcher plant is modified into a tubular pitcher-like structure with a lid to trap the insects. The inner wall lining of the pitcher has downward pointing hairs, which do not allow any insect to climb back up and escape. The bottom of the pitcher is filled with a fluid which contains digestive juices for digesting the insects. Insects are attracted towards the pitcher by its brightly colored lid. As the insect comes near the rim of the pitcher, it slips downward and gets drowned in the fluid. The leaves of sundew have drops of sticky substance called mucilage at the end of their tentacles. Insects get stuck in this mucilage and become entangled. These helpless insects then get digested. Bladderwursts are free-floating aquatic plants with leaves modified into pear-shaped bladders or sacs. The bladder has a trapdoor, which acts as a valve, and many sensitive bristles at the neck. Insects enter the bladder along with water current and get completely digested by the action of digestive juice secreted by the bladder wall. Some of the characteristics of insectivorous plants, like secretion of digestive enzymes, digestion, etc., show their close affinity with animals. However, photosynthesis and use of nitrogen bring them close to plants.